Start by building a support frame to create a peak and stop rain from pooling or puddling. Next, run your straps underneath the boat and around the perimeter to secure the system. These are down straps that will hold the perimeter line from dropping. These lines, similar to the drop lines but opposite, keep the perimeter line from lifting up. Add these lines now and pull them under the boat and tie them to the perimeter line when ready. This will secure the perimeter line and wrap from lifting up. Drape your shrink wrap over the frame, making sure you've got full coverage on all sides. Wrap and seal the edges around the perimeter line. Reinforcing any stress points. Next, cut the excess plastic. Once the plastic is dropped over the boat, the bottom is folded up and inside, over the bottom perimeter line, and heat shrunk. This secures the bottom edge of the plastic by folding and melting it to itself all the way around the bottom of the boat. Then, using a propane heat gun, evenly shrink the material until it tightens into a weatherproof seal. With that, your boat's fully sealed and protected while it's in storage.